Hey, Makayla. I've been working on it and I've actually ended up doing an adaptive component and I wanted to show you. It's not working quite yet, but I am making progress. So if I go to my right view, you can see sort of a basic outline here. So there's the setting, and if I sort of tab select in and edit that family, it's basically an adaptive component that has the basic pattern set up in it, with points hosted on the lines that go around at different intervals. And then once you get to the gapping, it gets a little bit more complex. So if I come in here and take a look at the one with gaps, right, you start to have to go in and offset all of these. It's much easier to do in a generic model than in the um, in the curtain wall panel. So I've been doing it in here, and then that's what this guy looks like, right? So you're starting to get those kind of gaps. And then what happens is we end up going in and putting in solids, which this one is breaking, and I'm not sure why, but we can talk about it later. So it is working though. Let me see if I can, if I go to 3D, it might break when I do this, but we'll see. Let me filter out everything but the surface. And what have I got it set to? 2 and 3. So let's set it to 2 again and see if it'll regenerate for me. It's been kind of breaking when I do this, but let's go ahead and let it do. I'm going to pause while it So yeah, it's breaking when I do this, so I need to figure out why, but I'm just going to delete the type, and let it regenerate to the 2 foot by 2 foot. And you can see it does it for some of them. And so if I come in and sort of tab select all of those and delete it, I think if I go in and reset it on there, let's see if it'll work. I think if I reset it, yeah, and I think if I repeat this, it'll actually work for the whole thing. Yeah, but it breaks when I change the size of it. So I'm getting there, but there's some gapping issues, and I haven't quite figured out what those are, like the fact that it's gapping differently here and here, versus here and here. So there's a different gap that's occurring between where they join together in the center, and it's probably a little mathematical thing that I just haven't considered yet, but it's getting there. So I'll send you this file just so you can look at it, and I'll keep working on it. Hopefully have something for you tomorrow. All right.